What's going on, y'all? I am headed up to the shop. I got a couple packages in to open up and see what we got in. And I'm also gonna give my son a haircut. He is super overdue, but I got a couple stops to hit on the way. We're gonna go ahead and swing by Starbucks and pick up some coffee. I gotta run to the post office and drop a couple things off. And then I gotta go by my doctor's office where my clients owes a convenient care and check out this middle finger. I'll tell you guys about it when we get there.
A little construction going on.
I guess those were a couple of my finger razor packs that you guys ordered that I was shipping out. Guys, I did restock the finger razors in black, and I also have them in tomb green on the website. Put it up right here. You guys want to check them out? They are $10 each, and they do take interchangeable feather razor blades. So a lot of people ask if they can be swapped out. Yes, they can. Regular feather razor blades. So guys, go grab one before they sell out. I guess we got it taken care of. I didn't want to record when I went in there because I wasn't sure who was in there and how he would feel about it. But anyway, guys, basically 2 months ago, I slipped on the stairs. I was picking up a toy my son had dropped, and I was in my socks, and I have carpet, and I slipped and flipped up in the air and fell down, and I landed on my hand kind of closed like this. So I can't really show you now because it's taped. Well, let's switch hands. Basically, guys, what was happening is when I would close my fingers, my middle finger would do that. It would not go any further than that. So we took an x-ray, it looks all good, and basically I have it buddy taped to my ring finger, and the idea is now the ring finger can help me tuck it all the way in. Kind of hurts a little bit, but basically we have to stretch it a few times a day, keep it taped to this other finger, and it'll be all good. So I do have 2 weeks off coming up. I'll tell you guys why in a minute, but perfect time to go through this and kind of not be able to cut hair very well like this. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to take it off when we go to the shop, but perfect time to do that. So I'm glad I got it taken care of. But now we're gonna head to the shop, open up those boxes, give my son a haircut, and I got some exciting news to share with you guys. All right, guys, the family is here. I told you guys I was gonna be off for a couple weeks because mama is due with baby 2 any minute, literally any minute now. So we're gonna get Theo's haircut, and I'm gonna just like throw the camera over here and time lapse it so you guys can see it. And then I'll show you guys all the stuff I got in and tell you guys some of the big news. That was number 1 on the list of the big news. Haircut, check it out. What do you think? Say, I don't sit still for 1 second. All right. Anyway, guys, got that done. Barely. He does not sit still anymore at all. And like I said, mama is ready to burst. So I'll be off for 2 weeks. I got plenty of content planned already, so you guys won't miss out on anything. But that's one big announcement. I'm gonna get them out of here and we'll get to the rest. I guess, like I said, I got a couple packages in. The first one is from my boy Marty Blends. You guys may have an idea what's in here if you guys keep up with him. I think I know what it is, but we'll go ahead and open this thing up and check it out. Yeah, I was right. I guess so it is Marty's new, well, let me take him out, you can see him better. His new colorway, I think these are called Miami, basically the Miami Vice colorway. So you guys can see like white, pink, and blue. Super nice. I like those transparent whites. Probably won't implement them. You guys know I have my color guard system. And actually, leave me a comment down below. I've been putting the guards just up in the corner. And actually, I may switch back to regular guards and just make sure that I'm always putting in the corner. But you guys let me know what you think. All right, guys, so this actually wasn't in a package. Well, it was, but it was just this wrapped up in bubble wrap in a FedEx overnight package. This is from the Pissed Off Barber. This is his new trimmer, and this is his new Psycho blade. So this is supposed to be basically the one blade style cutter blade on an FX style trimmer blade. So we're gonna be checking this out. I probably won't do a whole unboxing. I do believe I have the Yeti clipper on the way. So when we do the Yeti clipper unboxing and review, we will test out this new trimmer with the Psycho blade. But he was telling me that this should be his best blade yet, so I'm looking forward to trying this out. And guys, that is it for the packages. So now let me tell you guys my big news. I'm gonna throw a list up right there so you guys can follow along. We got five announcements to make, guys. Like I said, number 1 actually is that baby 2 is on the way absolutely any minute. She just called me a second ago after Theo's haircut, and I thought it was time to go, but not yet. So literally any minute, guys. I'm gonna be having my second baby. It is a little girl, and her name is gonna be Remy. So that's number 1 on the list. We will go ahead and just put that up there. But then we're gonna start at number 5. So number 5, guys, I've been working on a couple classes coming up. If I have the flyer done, I'm gonna throw it up because I have a few cities I'm gonna be coming to. I believe Charlotte, DC area. I think I'm going back to Texas. But you guys stay tuned for those dates. I will throw them in the video and mention it so you guys can follow along. I'm gonna try to do better about dropping it in the community tab so you guys can see that when they come out. Now, number 4, guys, I'm super excited about this. I will be main stage this year with my guy, CJ the Barber. We did that class in Houston and we just clicked, and now they have asked us to, I don't know if we're headlining, but basically the main stage. We will both be cutting at the same time for Tomb45 times OP, the new collaboration group. Basically, guys, Tomb and OP are merging and we will be sharing the stage together. So super excited about that. Never been on the main stage yet, so it's time to make that happen. Number 3, guys, I can't tell you a whole lot yet because the details aren't ironed out, but I will tell you guys this. I have been asked to teach my first class overseas, and I was absolutely shocked when that news came through. I'll kind of give you guys a hint. Dre reached out and said, do you want to teach at so-and-so's show? And so-and-so's name is so big that I definitely didn't think that that's who he was talking about. So I said, who are you talking about? He's like, yo, you know who I'm talking about. He wants you to cut at his show. So guys, I will be cutting, I almost said where I'm going, overseas, guys, first class ever. Again, main stage then, and that is in October, so I'm super looking forward to that, guys. The opportunities that are coming are absolutely crazy. You guys that have been with me for a long time, we've been doing this almost 4 years, you know where we came from, and so some of the stuff that is happening is honestly just a dream come true, and I really never imagined that we would be talking about this. And that brings me to number 2, guys. This is absolutely insane. And again, I can't tell you guys too many details, so stay tuned for this, but I am in negotiations with one of the biggest companies in the entire industry to potentially sign on as an educator with them. And obviously, guys, I'm already with Tomb45, so I will still be doing that. You guys won't have anything changed with my YouTube or anything like that, but this is absolutely a crazy opportunity, and it just popped up the other day, and so we're gonna see it through. We have some negotiations to figure out, but again, guys, that is just an insane opportunity. So I wanna take a second. With all of that being said, guys, one of my favorite things about being in the barber industry, guys, is that you can take it wherever you want. So if you wanna educate, you can educate. If you wanna do YouTube, you can. If you wanna own a shop, you can. Obviously, guys, I do a little bit of all of that. Now I own the shop, 13 chairs. We can add an asterisk at number 5. I'm looking into shop number 2, so you guys can go that route. You guys can do a YouTube channel and educate, or just do vlog type of content, or whatever you want to do. Obviously, YouTube for me has turned into traveling and educating. Like I just said, I'm traveling the country and now even international, so that's absolutely crazy. You guys can charge a bunch for haircuts, cut celebrities, do TikTok, whatever you guys want to do. My guy George is super successful on TikTok, so I love that. I encourage you guys to just to start making content. Guys, one thing I know with 4 years being in the game on YouTube is if I had started a couple years sooner, I would be obviously even further now than I am. So I would encourage you guys to just start, and you guys will never know what can come from just doing that first video and seeing where it goes. So leave me a comment down below and let me know some of the goals or ideas you guys think about starting, so I can encourage you guys to go ahead and start on that journey, and maybe someday you'll be making videos like this talking about the crazy opportunities that you have. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave you with a hint. So click this video right here and you'll know what I'm talking about.